I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Quill Forms as a trigger. Now choose a form. Click the Fetch button, then go to your form. Fill it out and submit it to retrieve the data. The data was successfully retrieved after submitting the form. Set action. Now here search and select MailPoet. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. Click on Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Choose a list from the drop-down. Now do the field mapping. Here's the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to MailPoet. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now navigate to MailPoet. Then go to Subscribers. Here is the data that came into MailPoet through the integration. Thanks for watching.